Mother Nature usually knows the best, but sometimes human intervention can create places of great beauty. The construction of reservoirs, dams, as well as mines has produced some incredible waterways which are equally gorgeous as their natural counterparts. And today in this video, we are gonna talk about 20 most beautiful man-made lakes across the world. But before we move ahead, it'd be nice if you guys subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Okay, starting from number 20, and it is Baško Blato, Bosnia and Herzegovina. Baško Blato is one of the largest artificial lakes in Europe that sits at 2,350 feet above the sea level, near the border of Bosnia and Herzegovina with Croatia. It was constructed in the 1970s on the farmland, and its name translates as mud or swamp. This scenic lake has plentiful of fish, including the European chub, minnow nace, and catfish. Number 19. Lake Mead, USA. Lake Mead is America's largest artificial lake that has formed when the Hoover Dam was constructed in the 1930s. It supplies Las Vegas with water. This vast desert oasis acts as a huge playground for boating, sailing, and fishing. It is usually possible to get up close to the water or on a boat tour of this lake to see the gigantic Hoover Dam. Number 18. Rutland Water, England. The Rutland Water Lake is the largest man-made lake in England if we take the surface area into account. Rutland Water was created in the 1970s. It is near to the most famous landmark in the listed 18th century Normanton church that appears to sit right on the water. Number 17. Abraham Lake, Canada. The mighty Abraham Lake was formed in 1972 following the construction of the Bighorn Dam. It is set in the foothills of the Canadian Rocky Mountains. Although it is man-made, the water in it appears to be the same color as other glacial lakes in the region because of the presence of silt that gives the waters a deep blue shade. In winter, frozen patterns can also be seen under the surface. Number 16. Lake Argyll, Australia. Lake Argyll is a freshwater lake near Kununurra in Western Australia's East Kimberley region. It was formed by the damming of the mighty Ode River. The lake was filled in 1974 and it is the largest reservoir of freshwater in Australia when in flood. It has beautiful bays and inlets and also flaunts rich wildlife: fishes, birds, rock wallabies, crocodiles, and wallaroos. Lake Argyll has become one of the remote Kimberley region's top attractions. Number 15. Kielder Water, England. Kielder Water is the biggest man-made lake in the northern European region considering its volume. It is situated in Northumberland and has a 27-mile shoreline and is 170 feet at its deepest point. It is surrounded by the largest working forest in England and has an important sanctuary for native species. It is a home to otters and the endangered water vole, which got reintroduced here in 2017. Number 14. Lac de Saint-Croix, France. Lac de Saint-Croix is France's second largest lake. It might be artificial, but it certainly looks like a real one, with sandy shores that are ideal for sunbathing, picnics, and limestone cliffs. One can easily witness people here messing about on kayaks, paddle boards, and rowboats. Number 13. Lusatian Lake District, Germany. The Lusatian Lake District is Europe's largest artificial lake district, with a chain of not just lakes but sandy beaches, forests, cycle paths, as well as vineyards. Lake Edgerswalder is one of them, and it's already a hub of water sports and tourism, with its striking floating homes. Number 12. Lake Jacossi, USA. South Carolina's Lake Jacossi is another man-made beauty that proves natural isn't always the best. The reservoir, which was fed by cool, clear water flowing from Appalachian mountain rivers, was created in 1973. Jacossi literally means place of the lost one in Cherokee, which adds to the romance of this beautiful spot. The 7,500-acre reservoir plunges to a maximum depth of around 300 feet and has a smattering of small islets. Number 11. Lake Sidney Lanier, USA. The state of Georgia has gorgeous lakes, most of which were created by dams. Lake Sidney Lanier is a large reservoir constructed by the US Army Corps of Engineers in the 1950s. It is just an hour's drive from Atlanta and is also one of the prettiest recreational boating hubs with waters fed from the Blue Ridge Mountains. What's more, there is plenty of space for everyone with 690 miles of shoreline. It has campsites, cabins, a resort, 10 marinas, beachside play parks, woodland trails, and even a water park. Number 10. Lake Plastiras, Greece. This lake is surrounded by dense forests, the slopes of the Agrafa Mountains, little rural villages, and monasteries. The Plastiras Lake is located in Thessaly on mainland Greece and is a hot spot for hikers and outdoor lovers. It's quite hard to believe that this scenic high-altitude lake hasn't always been a part of this beautiful landscape. This reservoir was created in 1959 after a dam was constructed for irrigation and power. Number 9. Merevaco, Mauritius. Merevaco in the southeast is one of the most beautiful man-made lakes in Mauritius. This large reservoir was built in 1885 and it acts as a beautiful tranquil spot for a picnic and stroll. One can witness hiking and horse riding trails around the nearby forest and the Grand Basin. A stunning natural lake that forms inside the crater of an extinct volcano is a treat to the eyes. Number 8. Norfolk Broads, England. It may be surprising to learn that the Norfolk Broads are completely man-made. It was discovered in the 1950s when a research revealed that the sides of the deep lakes were vertical and they did not slope gently as one would expect from naturally formed rivers. It has a vast network of lakes and rivers that is now one of the UK's most popular destinations for boating holidays. Number 7. Lake Kariba, Zimbabwe. Lake Kariba is the world's largest man-made reservoir created by the completion of the Kariba Dam in 1958. It covers an incredible 2,085 square miles. The waters stretch along the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe. During its construction period, flood waters covered vast areas of important wildlife habitats and a rescue operation has to be launched to save more than 5,000 animals from drowning. Hundreds of dead trees can still be seen protruding out of the waters. The lake has now become a popular bird watching and safari location, and its waters have crocodiles as well. Number 6. Periyar Lake, India. The Periyar Lake is situated in a wildlife reserve in the Western Ghats of Kerala, which lies in South India. The reserve is a home to elephants, wild boar, and a scattering of Royal Bengal tigers. This lake is a popular place for boat safaris with guided hikes into the surrounding park, and if you're lucky enough, you may track the elusive tiger. This pretty lake was created by the British in 1895 when a dam was built across the river Periyar. Number 5. Lake Nasser, Egypt. Lake Nasser is situated in the southern Egypt and is one of the largest man-made lakes in the world. Stretching across 2,030 square miles, this lake was formed when the Aswan High Dam was built across the Nile between 1958 and 1970. Today, the traditional Felucca sailboats take tourists to see the ancient sites located on its shores, which include the Great Temple at Abu Simbel. Number 4. Qandao Lake, China. The Qandao Lake in China's eastern province of Zhejiang is also known as Thousand Island Lake. It was created in 1959, following the construction of the Xinyan River Hydroelectric Station and Dam. It flooded the area and forced 290,000 people to relocate their homes and submerge to ancient cities. What's popular with the visitors here are island-hopping boat tours and scuba diving to see the waterlogged ruins. Number 3. Kowloon Lake, Indonesia. Indonesia's Kowloon Lake is an abandoned quarry that was built to collect industrial minerals needed for cosmetics, toothpaste, and paper production, but it later got flooded. Kowloon is located on the island of Belitung, and it has a dazzling turquoise expanse surrounded by mountains of excavated white rocks. Swimming in its waters is said to have health benefits. Number 2. Lake Pichola, India. The dreamy Lake Pichola sits alongside the city of Udaipur in Rajasthan. It was created in 1362 so that the merchants could transport grains, and it was later enlarged by Maharana Uday Singh, who built his royal palaces and temples on the water's edge. The luxurious Taj Lake Palace, or the Jag Mandir, is set on an island in the heart of this lake, which is the most famous site to visit in Udaipur, Rajasthan. It was also one of the locations that were featured in the 1983 James Bond movie Octopussy. Number 1. Blue Lagoon, Iceland. One of the most well-known sites in Iceland is the Blue Lagoon. It is actually man-made, and the geothermal spa, which is rich in minerals, was formed in 1976 by accident. It is actually wastewater that was produced by a nearby power plant, but people began bathing in the warm waters in the early 1980s and even discovered its benefit for skin conditions. It got officially opened to the public in 1992. The distant blue waters of the lagoon are caused by its high silica content, which reflect the light. So this was our list of the most beautiful man-made lakes. Which of these lakes did you find the most beautiful? Do let us know in the comments. Also make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on our future videos. That's all in this video, and I will see you in the next one.